Friends, good morning. So, welcome to next interview question. So, what are the differences between activity and fragment? Activity and fragment. So, we'll see what are the differences between these two. It's like major difference how this could be, how this is affecting that we can concentrate on this here. Simple words. So, if these differences, if we are going to discuss about the differences, first of all we'll concentrate on about activities. So simple way, if it is an activity, means this can be the single instance, so it can be the single focused single instance. Activity is nothing but it's a single instant single instant. Focus means user can have single action performance, like from here I want to go to next page, or call, dial, search, browser, something like this. Only single action we can perform in an activity. But if I go with this fragment, so first fragment is, there are the different kind of things are there in a fragment. So that is, fragment is simple way, it's a modular selection. What is this modular selection? Modular selection means here it's a modular selection of simply the activity, means it's a one piece of activity whenever it's required that we can host on that. So again it has its own life cycle, and whenever we want we can add, and whenever we want to remove we can remove this view. On the view, on the fragment, we can remove this. So it could it could not affect any of the life cycle method. It could not affect on life cycles. So could not affect on life cycle method. Just whatever the activity is there, and that just it can create a view, and it can create this. So it cannot affect life cycle of activity. Just it can create a view, and it can hide this. Then, so whenever we want to pass fragment, you can pass. Whenever you want to pass fragment, you can pass the fragment. And whenever you want to resume, you can go resume. Whenever you want to destroy, you can destroy. Means because it has its own life cycle. This we can using this lot of benefits. It has means activity has the huge size. This has the less size. So because of the less size, easily we can manage and we can control these kind of things. So that is the main advantage of this. So these are the major differences between activity and life cycle. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.